Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host today, and we're talking about a shocking discovery that's going to change the way you think about electric cars, or at least, the ones with roof racks. Imagine driving around in an eco-friendly EV, feeling good about yourself for reducing your carbon footprint, only to discover that adding just one tiny thing, a roof rack, could be costing you up to 92 miles of range. That's right, folks. According to a new study by electric car battery specialists AVILOO, having a roof-mounted bicycle carrier installed on an electric car can significantly reduce its fuel efficiency and overall range. Now, let's dive into the details. The experiment was conducted in controlled conditions in Vienna, Austria, where 3 different types of roof rack setups were tested: one with a roof-mounted bike carrier, another with a rear-mounted bike carrier, and finally, one without any racks at all. And what did they find? Well, it turns out that the roof-mounted setup had a significant impact on the car's range, dropping from around 3.5 miles per kWh to just 2.3 miles per kWh. But here's the thing. It wasn't just the roof rack itself that was causing the problem. It was the air resistance generated by having something on top of the car. As Nikolaus Meyerhofer, CTO of AVILOO, explained, the main physical reason for the clear differences is air resistance. It doesn't increase linearly but quadratically. In other words, as you go faster, the air resistance increases exponentially, which can significantly affect your fuel efficiency. Now we know what you're thinking. How big of a deal is this? And the answer is, it's a pretty significant one. According to motoring experts at GoSkippy, having a roof rack installed may be using up as much as 25% more fuel than expected. But there's good news for car owners who love cycling. Removing just one item from their trunk can make a big difference. So, what can you do? Well, the experts say that reducing unnecessary weight in your car can have a significant impact on its fuel efficiency and overall range. It might mean getting rid of some old clothes or books you don't need anymore, or even considering the cost of removing that roof rack when it's not being used. At Electro Drive News, we're always looking for ways to make electric cars more efficient and environmentally friendly. And now, with this new study, we can all drive around feeling a little bit better about ourselves, knowing that our EVs are getting the best possible fuel efficiency out of them.